All right, welcome back. It's not something most women and men admit they think about, but the bottom line is neck lifts are much more popular than you might think. But who wants a big scar after the procedure? Dr. Tess Mauricio, known as America's favorite dermatologist, says you can get it done without a scar left over, and she's here this morning to tell us how. We also have one of her patients, Susie Daly. Thank you so much for being here, ladies. And you just had the procedure done, so we're going to talk to you in just a moment about how it felt and how happy you are now. But doctor, I want to talk to you a little bit about it because, as I mentioned, it's not something people come forward and say, this is what I want done right away.
But, you know, after the age of 40, the neck actually becomes a big problem.
Okay.
And many times it's not even under our control. It's genetic. We start getting fat there. We lose the definition of the chin, the jawline, the neck, and it makes us look older, makes us look heavier. And a lot of people think about, they start going like this, or like this,
right?
Exactly. But then everyone's scared of having visible scars, and then also going through the downtime and the fears of having an unnatural, looking unnatural. And so, Susie came in, and that's one of the things she said, I don't want to look like Joan Rivers.
Right. And, with facelifts, at least they can hide something in your hairline, but with your neck, where are they going to hide that? So how does this work?
Well, this is really a culmination and a combination of advances in technology. And so it's something that I've been working on for years, trying to perfect, and now the technology is advanced enough that we can make just 3 tiny little stabs in 3 areas, 1, 2, and 3. And I put a tiny little instrument that sculpts away fat, and then combining different lasers, radio frequency technology to tighten the skin so that there is absolutely no scar, but you sculpt that area and you really give your patients back their chin, the jawline, the neck, and make them look 10, 20 years younger.
The results that you want. I think we have some before and after pictures, and I believe, Susie, you are in some of them. Now, Susie, how did it feel when you were going through it? Did you feel any pain? Did you feel any discomfort? How would you explain it?
No discomfort whatsoever. You can just hear a whooshing noise as she's sucking in the fat out and everything. But no, there was no pain before. There was no pain. Absolutely no pain whatsoever
and
afterwards.
Susie's before and after, and you can see.
Oh, wow.
I mean, when she came in before, she obviously was, could have had a big neck lift procedure, but look, without any scars, without recovery, we're able to transform her neck area. And she actually told me this story. Tell her about your friend and your new grandson, Susie.
Did he not recognize you? Or?
No. She said, I'm dying to see what your neck looks like, and I was waiting because it pulls up each day. It takes a couple months to get the absolute perfect results, but your results are pretty obvious right away as well. And so she wanted to see a picture of me, and my new grandson came last week, and I was like this holding my baby, and got a picture, and she said, I'm glad to see the baby, but I really wanted to see your neck.
Yeah, there you go.
She goes, you look 20 years younger.
Yeah. Well, and Susie,
that was
she doesn't mind if I say
exactly.
I know I asked you if I could say your age on the air, but she's 60, and she looks amazing. So this is a wonderful procedure, and you're saying for people 40 and older, maybe they want to start considering it, right?
Think about it. It's amazing. It's actually my favorite procedure to do because patients are so happy, and it's such a dramatic procedure that I even think like it's almost like a miracle, and my patients sort of lovingly call it the Dr. Tess lift, and I love it. This is one of the procedures I love to do.
Great. Well, we have doctor's information up on the screen right now. We also have all of this information right now on our website if you'd like to contact Dr. Mauricio and talk to her about everything.
Sure. And before and after photos all over the website, and we also have a special running on it. So if you're thinking it's time for your neck to go a little bit up,
now's the time.
Exactly.
All right, doctor, and thank you so much for coming in, Susie. Of course, for more information, just go to our website, as I mentioned, san diego6.com. Click on Hot Topics.